Hi, this is Perry from the Hampton Network. Today, I want to talk to you about patience and how you need it to be successful in business and life. Have you found yourself wanting something now and not having the patience to wait for it? We basically live in a world where literally everything we need or want are right at our fingertips. All we have to do is basically get on our computers and immediately receive all sorts of things, including news, food, credit, business opportunities, entertainment, and even friends. But the problem with all of this on-demand availability is that we're evolving into a population that acts with expectation rather than taking the time to understand that some things in life takes time and patience to achieve. What do I mean by this? It takes time to learn how to be a responsible adult and especially be as successful as you could potentially be. Think about it. Wanting it all now is essentially what prevents us from having it all at any point in time. It takes time to be successful in business and certainly in real life. Some things take longer to achieve than others, and we need to have the patience to realize that fact. Patience is a valuable life lesson. In affiliate marketing, for example, you will probably not get results right away, and you must realize that it could take months or years before you start making the amount of money you want. This is where patience is so important. Most people who don't have the patience to wait will just quit and make excuses about their failure or blame it on the opportunity they were pursuing. But it's a life's lesson that can significantly impact their chance to achieve long-term success and financial freedom. Once you realize that most things take time, especially success, you will then realize that whatever you want can be achieved, and you will strive every day to make it happen. So, take some time and think about what success you really want in your business. Write it all down and implement steps each and every day to achieve it. By implementing this one simple strategy, you will find that in time, you'll be more successful than you ever imagined. Basically, it all begins with mindset. You must change your mindset first, and everything else will fall into place. In the affiliate marketing space, patience is required as you must learn high-value skill sets to be successful, including, but not limited to, marketing, email marketing, content marketing, digital marketing, how to create landing pages, writing sales copy, search engine optimization, SEO, ad campaign creation, creating YouTube videos. As you can see, there's a lot involved with affiliate marketing, and you should now see that in order to be successful in this space, it will require a lot of time, effort, and patience. Some people may think that you can be successful overnight in affiliate marketing, but that's not true. If you're lucky, this may happen, but in reality, it would take much more time. But if you have the necessary skill sets, initiative, patience, and take action, you can be very successful. Another key point here is that you must never quit. It is extremely important that you keep taking action every day in your business if you want to achieve success. There are a lot of affiliate programs available that you can join, but I would highly recommend Legendary Marketer. This company will teach you everything you need to know about starting a business or growing, scaling, and optimizing your current business. They have an excellent training program consisting of digital courses, coaching, mentoring, and masterminds. So, as you can see, if you partner with this company, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an expert. They can help you achieve success. I have created a review video of this company, and you should check it out in my YouTube playlist. In closing, and realizing that it takes patience to achieve success and financial freedom, I would like to challenge everyone to think about the kind of future they want and have the patience to wait for it. If you like the content of this video, please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified of future videos. I will also include a link in the description if you want to join a wonderful company that can give you the education and training you need to be successful at business and at life.